Let me take you back exactly 2 months ago. It was a Thursday night, kids finally asleep, and my wife sat me down at the kitchen table that was absolutely buried in bills: electricity, medical, credit card, the stupid daycare increase. She had the calculator in one hand, tears in her eyes, and just unloaded everything she'd been holding in for months. We are drowning. Groceries are up 40%, rent jumped another $300, your salary hasn't moved since 2022, and I'm over here clipping coupons like it's going to save us. I am scared every single day. I love you. But please, do something different or we're going to have to move in with my parents. I can't keep living like this. Man, that hit me like a truck. I felt small. I felt like I was failing my family. I promised her I'd fix it, but honestly had zero idea where to even start. So that same night I couldn't sleep at all. Ended up on the couch at 1:17 a.m. with a warm beer, scrolling TikTok on silent so I wouldn't wake anyone. I was deep in the AI's going to take everyone's job side of TikTok, feeling worse by the second, when one video stopped me dead. Some guy was like, I took this free 45-second quiz, saw I was 80% replaceable, learned AI in a weekend, and doubled my income. I literally laughed out loud at first like, yeah right, another guru scam. But something in me said, what do you have to lose? So I clicked. The quiz was only 5 questions but felt like a punch in the gut. What's your job title? Gives I put senior analyst. How many hours a day on repetitive stuff? Gives I put 5 to 6. Do you use AI tools daily? Gives honestly put rarely. Industry, gives finance. How worried are you right now 1 to 10? Gives I put a shameful 9, hit submit, and it came back, 78% replaceable. The exact words on the results page. At your current trajectory you will never receive another meaningful raise and are at high risk of stagnation or replacement within 24 months. I just stared at my phone in the dark living room, and my wife's voice kept replaying in my head. I made a decision right then and there. I canceled golf with the guys, told my wife I had a big work project and locked myself in the home office all weekend. Friday night till Monday morning probably slept 8 hours total. Red Bull, cold pizza, pure desperation. Learned everything, advanced prompts, automation with Zapier, data visualization in seconds, how to make AI write 90% of my reports and me just edit the final 10%. By Sunday night I rebuilt my entire monthly reporting deck that used to take me 3 full days, in 41 minutes flat. Monday came, I walked in with the new deck on a USB, hands literally shaking a little, put it on my manager's desk and said super casually, hey, let me know what you think of the new format when you have a sec. Then I went back to my desk and waited. And waited. Honestly thought he was going to call me in to fire me for wasting time. 45 minutes later my calendar pinged an urgent meeting with him. I walked in ready for the worst. He turned his monitor toward me, my deck was open and just said, who helped you with this? This is executive level. This is insane. I smiled for the first time in days and said, just me, and some AI. He picked up his phone, called HR on speaker right in front of me and said, we're creating a new senior AI analyst role effective today. $27,100 increase, performance bonus, and full remote flexibility. Make it happen now. Friday rolled around, the new paycheck hit. I came home from work. My wife was at the kitchen counter doing the usual weekly budget freakout on her phone. I said super calm, babe, check the bank account real quick. She opened the app, saw the new amount, and just froze. Then the tears came, happy tears, ugly crying, the works. She looked at me and could barely talk. How? What did you do? I pulled up the quiz result from 9 days earlier and said, I stopped being replaceable and started being the guy who controls the AI. That night we went out to dinner, the first time in forever we didn't have to check prices on the menu. Money fights, gone, stress, vanished. We booked a real family vacation. Bedroom life got spicy again, yes, I'm saying it. All because one desperate dad at 1 a.m. clicked a link. So if you're watching this and you feel that weight bills, spouse stressed, kids needing things you can't afford, that quiet shame of not providing like you want to, this quiz is literally made for you. It takes 45 seconds, costs nothing, and can completely change your family's future. My wife now forwards this link to every mom in her group chat. The exact quiz is in the link at the very top of this video and in my bio. Click it right now while you're feeling this. Do it for the person sleeping next to you tonight. Do it before another bill hits, before another fight, before you have to say we can't afford it one more time. I promise you, future you, your wife, your kids, they're all going to thank you with tears, just like mine did. See you on the results page, brother, sister, you've got this.